In the words of Phil Doyle, Lache to Wednesday afternoon.
What was that?
Oh, Michael! So good to see this.
Oh,
solid.
Proper, mate. It's the real deal. It's a
big.
you then? Yeah, cool, yeah. Why don't we get a few actually? We can all just write
20, 30. Whoa! You alright?
He just bailed, and I don't know what it was, but it's funny. He's having a great time. Yeah!
I went from the Lache and planted my foot second about a month.
Right, let's go.
Sweet.
month for the day.
What do? You just full time doing this? Or?
Yeah, full-time professional free runner. Been doing it for probably about 10 years now.
Oh, everywhere else is kind of
Lache for Wednesday.
Oh yes, he did it. He did it.
So I just stand here. If we're going to if we're on that side, you sort of walk in until you. Hi mate, how you doing? Nice to meet you, Scott. You okay? Nice to meet you. Yeah. Welcome to the Parkour playground. So I need to from the wine. Right. We're going to see the bars. So go again. Just tell me again. What you're going to do? It's a pole dance. Lever up. So you just launch and grab. Yeah, so it's kind of nice and yeah, jump up. There you go. Nice. Jump up. Good. There you go. Yeah.
Okay.
And then yeah, and then he literally just pulls his feet off. Once his feet are off, then I can pull mine up.
Okay.